fight, he fought a good war, Mr. Speaker. In fact, when the results came for the first round, all of us we celebrated because he won round one, Mr. Speaker. It is only that maybe in round 2, 3, that the geopolitics...
He won round 2 also.
And round 2, yes. It's only that, Mr. Speaker, in third and fourth round, Mr. Speaker, other geopolitics came in and other countries supported the other countries. But, Mr. Speaker, I want to congratulate them, the Prime Minister, and I also want to thank the President, Mr. Speaker. It is not very easy for you to support somebody you have been competing with. Mr. Speaker, the President has done very well in supporting Kenya.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I will take it very short because of the minute. First, I congratulate the Honorable Right Prime Minister Raila Odinga for what he did for Kenya, standing for Kenya. Then the President, standing up with the Honorable Raila Odinga, he galvanized the country together, and that was a sign of unity. I'm praying that what was shown in Addis Ababa, let it now be demonstrated here in Kenya. The non-deck report, which was discussed to create vacancies and so on, that position of the Prime Minister, let it be created now so that we can have at least Raila giving that kind of advice, which we wanted to be given in Africa, to be given in Kenya here. It will work very well for us. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. As I respond, I want to take this opportunity to congratulate every member who has contributed positively to this debate. I also confirm that members have debated and they have shown a lot of passion in their debate. A lot of truth has been said. Over 30 members have contributed to this. And I'm sure if we gave the opportunity to people even tomorrow, many more would have contributed and they would have eagerly debated on this because it is a matter that touches on each one of us as a leader today in our country. Honorable Speaker, we also know very well that God gave us this good opportunity and we are now placed at a very high and respectable space in Africa, simply because of what our leader, our president, Dr. William Samoei Ruto has done. The passion he had, he was bold enough, he was able to bring the team together. And I want to congratulate him for being bold enough, for bringing the entire nation together, and for going beyond people's expectation and thinking out of the box, because he embraced unity. And that is why he was able to hold the hands of the former Prime Minister and work with him. He is a visionary leader, because if he wasn't visionary, he wouldn't have done that. He has a big heart. He goes beyond the elections and his own supporters and bringing Kenya together. And that is why today we are enjoying the spirit of broad-based government, the spirit of togetherness, the spirit of working together, the spirit of working together as a nation. And it is my prayer that our president will continue with this spirit. And I'm sure after his 10 years tenure, we will all celebrate and see the development that we will have enjoyed during his time. Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Right Honorable Raila Odinga needs to be congratulated, just as all the others have done. He has done very well. You look at his age, his experience, he was the right person for that position. That has come out clearly from all the members who have contributed. And I'm sure many other members who are not even with us would have been together with us saying the same thing and congratulating him. He has done great because in the whole season of campaign, the president himself confirmed to us that he was strong enough, he was able to move from one place to the other place, and the president leading and moving from one country to other country, bringing the leaders together, talking to them, and it just made us being proud of our country and also feeling that, yes, as a country, we have gone to another level. I'm sure if we elected the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, Africa would have enjoyed. But unfortunately, that has not happened. That does not mean that we cannot use him in another way. I'm sure he's capable of any other position that we are ready to release him to. And that is why today we are standing together and showing a lot of patriotism and celebrating his life and everything. I congratulate him, and I also wish him well as we look forward to what else he can do. I also want to congratulate the new chair, who has a lot of responsibility in uniting the entire Africa and seeing how we can reduce the challenges that we have, the poverty level, the sicknesses, natural calamity, and climate change that is affecting us. It is my prayer that Africa will be united and our president will remain focused and bold enough to lead this great nation. With those few remarks, I congratulate all the people that deserve to be congratulated and pray that Kenya will work together, remain united under the leadership of our president, our deputy president, and now the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Thank you.
Honorable members, allow me to put the question, recalling that the African Union, the success